Good evening, everyone. Today we are officially kicking off our startup project. Our goal is to align on our business strategy, define roles, discuss challenges, and set deadlines. So we can now get started. But before we start, let's go over the key details. This is our first formal meeting, and we'll be communicating key decisions to guide our startup journey. So now it's the best time to assign roles, responsibilities, and so on. And who's better to do that than to have in our team a project manager? So now you can open your mic, Hamza, and start telling us about roles.
Thank you, my dear friend Nasir. So, to ensure smooth operations, we have the following roles. The first one is CEO, who handles in strategy and business decisions. The second one is CTO, who handles technical development. The third one is CMO, who deals in marketing and branding. The fourth one is CFO, who handles financial management. The fifth one is the lead developer, who deals in coding and backend systems. The fifth one is UI or UX designer, who deals in user experience and design. The sixth one is the project manager, which is me. I'm going to be handling workflow and deadlines. So now we'll go back to the CEO, who will explain to you about the business strategy and goals.
Our mission is to develop a cloud-based project management AI-powered task management, which automates prioritization and workflow adjustments, something our competitive lack. Additionally, our lightweight design ensures faster performance compared to Asana and Trello. Now to know more about the market, because we have made a huge research in the market to understand it better, to understand the client's needs. We have our market research led by our CMO, Mr. Wael. Please take the stage.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. We have identified a growing demand for specific features, singling a key opportunity for us to enhance our offerings and meeting customer need more effectively. Additionally, we have noted some weakness in our competitor strategies in area, such as competitor weakness, which give us a chance to leverage our strength and stand out in the market. Lastly, we have gathered important user feedback indicating that improvement needed. Addressing these concerns will allow us to improve customer satisfaction and student layout. Loyalty.
Thank you so much, Mr. Wael. This shows that we are dedicated to give our customers a good product, a product that they love, a product that they can easily integrate into their lives, into their workflows. This is how much we have done for research in the market. Now to know the technical side, to get more deep in it, to understand it fully, we have the CTO, my friend Suhail. Please take your time explaining our technical operations.
Okay, thank you, Nasser. Hello, everyone. On the technical side with me, some key decisions. Number one, MVP approach will develop code features first, focusing on user experience and performance. Number two, cloud first, design hosting on IWC, always scalability without high upfront costs. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Suhail. I appreciate your clarification. Now to understand it even more on a deeper level, on a deeper level, much more than just the technical side. We have the lead software developer with us today. Please, Mr. Hussein, take the stage and introduce.
Hello everyone, I think you are all good. Here I'm a lead software developer. From a development perspective, we will focus on writing clean, scalable code. We will use Git for version control and follow agile best practice to ensure of efficient coding and quick iterations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now that we are still in the technical side, and the CTO have give you some information about the technical side, while our lead software developer have showed you even much more. I'm sorry. Now we can talk about the user experience and the user interface with our designer, Miss Yara Uthman. Please take the stage.
Hello everyone. I'm design a clear and easy to interface. We are using Figma to create and test design. The goal is in making sure the app is simple, clear, and work well for users. We also tested to improve the best on feedback. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yara. Now you guys understand that we are seeking simple design, seeking something that our customers would understand easily, and that is also the result of our marketing team understanding what the market needs and the power of coding with our friend software developer. Now it all manifests in Yara user interface work. Now let's talk about the money. It's the main big reason we are starting this company. For the finance, we started with three crucial decisions. Number one is two-phase development, MVP first and then full release later. Now for the funding, we're going for bootstrapped at first, then seeking investors. And number three, the pricing. We made sure our pricing are competitive yet still profitable. And that was the genius of our CFO, the Chief of Financial Operation. Please take the stage, Miss Joe.
Hello everyone. I hope everyone is good. So I will talk about this financial. From a financial standpoint, our CEO just mentioned is this decision keep us stable and will support expansion at the right time. And our pricing strategy will ensure that we will remain competitive while staying affordable. That's all for me, and thank you.
Thank you so much, my dear friend. This gives you a better understanding that we're not just seeking profit; we are seeking growth, and growth comes from profit, comes from research. Now, while we're going forward, we must face challenges. We must have solution for them, and this is a perfect job for our perfect project manager, Mr. Hamza. Please take the stage.
Thank you, my dear friend Nasir. So, as with any startup, of course, we know there are going to be challenges, same as everything. So, it was very important to us that we had a plan to tackle these challenges or problems. The first challenge that we faced was the tight timeline and schedule. So for that, we adopted an agile methodology, breaking the project into smaller parts. And we also conducted daily stand-up meetings. So after that, we had a second challenge that we faced, which was budget constraints. So of course, when we start up any business or anything, we're gonna have financial problems as well. So for that, we had solutions, which was optimizing the cost by using open source tools where it was possible. And then we focused on spending high impact areas like development and initial marketing. So the third challenge that we faced, was team coordination and communication. So for that, we decided to use real-time communication and maintain structured updates. And after that, we established clear documentation practices on Notion, but right on time. So after that, the other challenge we had, the fourth challenge we had, was dealing in risk, because that was one of our biggest challenge that we faced. So for risk management and issue tracking, we implemented an issue tracking system to flag any resolve blockers early on. And then we assigned a risk owner for each potential issue to ensure absolute accountability. So our focus was on efficiency, accountability, and adaptability by maintaining clear workflows and proactive communication and also structured prioritization. Through all that, we were able to navigate challenges effectively. As I'm the project manager, my role was to ensure that we stay aligned with our business goals, deadlines, and workflow efficiency. We were able to follow agile development practices to maintain momentum and adaptability. Our communication strategy ensured transparency and alignment across all teams. We were able to track progress with structured management tools to avoid any delays or anything like that. Finally, we were continuously assessing and mitigating risk to ensure a smooth development cycle. So by that time, we knew that if we stayed committed to our responsibilities and collaborate effectively, we will bring our vision to life successfully, and looking forward to working together and achieving great results. So for the closing remarks, we would go back to the project manager, who's my dear friend as well, Nasir Elias. Thank you. Continue. Take the stage.
Thank you so much, my friend Hamza. That was a very elaborated explanation of our steps, of our methodologies, using the agile methodology, dividing it so it can make it so we can make it work faster, allowing us also to go back a few steps, because it's non-linear way, just to go back a few steps and make everything clearer, make everything better as much as we can. Thank you so much for this great explanation, my friend Hamza. So today's meeting has laid a strong foundation for our startup. We've aligned our business strategies as we needed, assigned roles, and defined technology and defined our technology stack. Each of us has a critical role and a crucial responsibility in ensuring the success of this project, and collaboration will be the key to make it happen. Our next steps. This makes our next steps clear. The development team will begin working on the MVP. The marketing team will refine our research strategy, and we will continue monitoring progress through regular check-ins. Communication will be essential, so let's ensure we stay aligned through our project management tools and meetings. Now, challenges will arise, but we've already outlined the solutions to keep us on track. Whenever challenges come, we use our solution. We stay ahead of the game, because we need to remain productive, adaptable, and committed to our responsibilities. we can build something truly innovative and impactful to our customers. This is exactly what we need. So let's maintain this momentum, guys, and make the most of and make the most of our strength as a team. Thank you all for your dedication and contribution. I look forward to seeing our progress in the next meeting. Thank you, everyone. Meeting adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nasser. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.